Seats, bark seats.
My name's Carl Peters. Thanks for having me be part of this.
Thank you.
Heart on the run, keeps her hand on the gun. You can't trust anyone. Well, I was so sure what I needed was more. Tried to shoot out the sun. The days when we raised, we flew off the page. Such damage was done. Well, I made it through. Somebody knew I was meant for someone. Girl, leave your boots by the bed. We ain't leaving this room. If someone needs medical help, or the magnolias blow. House and I ain't going out, which I would. So cover me up and know you're not to use me for good. Put your fate to the test when I tore off your dress in Richmond on high. Well, I sobered up and I swore up that stuff forever this time. In the old upper singing, I thought it'd be me who helped me get home. One that I'd never seen till you came along. So girl, hang your dress out to dry. We ain't leaving this room. The first embrace breaks open wide and the river runs through and carries this house on its stones like a piece of driftwood. So cover me up and know you're not to use me for good. So girl, leave your boots by the bed. We ain't leaving this room. So someone needs medical help or the magnolias blow. It's cold in this house and I ain't going out, which I would. So cover me up, know you're enough to use me for good. So cover